Kerala special beetroot recipe. It is usually served along with rice. We need 30 minutes time for the preparation. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take 1 cup of grated coconut. Add 4 green chilies, 1 inch size ginger, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. Keep it for later use. Now, in a pan, take 2 cups or 200 grams of chopped beetroot. Add 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of water. When it starts boiling, close the lid and cook for 8 minutes on medium flame. Stir in between. Now keep it low flame and add the previously grinded mixture. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Then add 1.5 cup of whisked curd and mix it for 1 minute. Now switch off the flame. Finally, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutters. And add 4 red chillies, 8 to 10 curry leaves. Mix it for 10 seconds and switch off the flame. Garnish this on top of it. Our Kerala special beetroot recipe is ready. If we are making in this quantity, we can serve it for 6 people. This healthy recipe can be made in 30 minutes.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.